Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best plunge router that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt Router Fixed Plunge Base Kit. With the ability to route through the toughest hardwoods, the best-rated 12-amp electronic variable speed DeWalt DW618PK has a micro-fine depth adjustment ring that provides precise adjustments that are quick and solid locking, as are the base changes. These DeWalt routers collect 95% of dust, which helps to give excellent visibility and less mess, and also feature a quick-release motor and detachable cord set. One delighted customer wrote, "Best in class. I don't think I could have done better for the price," and many others reported that this is the best router they have ever used. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita RP18003-1/4 HP Plunge Router. Along with longer tool life and a smooth plunging action thanks to its linear ball bearings, the Makita RP180 Plunge Router also boasts a 15-amp motor that provides 22,000 RPM, a handy lock switch for continuous operation, and an innovative chip deflector that ensures you don't get pelted with stray wood chips while cutting with this tool. It has a large 2-finger switch for better control and comfortable ergonomic handles, and one very pleased consumer wrote that it's a powerful, durable router that stands up where off-the-shelf routers won't, and another, who has owned this for over 3 years, added, "Still works like new. No loss of power. Plunge is still as smooth, if not smoother, than when out of the box. Depth settings, etc., still accurate." At number 3, we have the Bosch MRP23 EVS 120V 2.3 HP electronic plunge base router. With trigger control, a 15-amp motor, microbit adjustment to get those more intricate cuts just right, and a simple yet sturdy 2-stage quick clamp system, the Bosch plunge base router is the tool you need if accuracy and user control are a priority. This heavy-duty tool, which is an Amazon's Choice product in the routers department, also has a bright light to illuminate the workspace while in use, a particularly smooth plunging mechanism, lots of power, a feedback circuit to maintain its speed during heavy cuts, and a power switch that is on its ergonomic handles for ease of use. One happy purchaser wrote, "Great, professional router, as expected from Bosch. Soft start, constant work light, good ergonomics, precise adjustments." They also added that the plunge lever might be a little too stiff for some users but that it's still within comfort range. At number 2, we have the WEN RT6033 15-amp variable speed plunge woodworking router kit. If you're new to woodworking with a plunge router and don't need it for professional use, the WEN RT6033 Plunge Router Kit is ideal because it has the ability to function both as a plunge and fixed base router. It comes with a carrying case and edge guide for creating perfectly straight lines. It's easy to use, and also has an attractive price point. This tool has a 15-amp variable speed, a soft start motor that many users found particularly impressive, and you can easily switch from plunge to fixed by simply locking its spring-loaded base in a downward position. One happy buyer wrote, "I'm very new to woodworking but I found this router to be very good for making a decorative top for my daughter's jewelry box," and another added that it's good value and accurate enough for DIY weekend woodworking. The unit is easy to use and I highly recommend. And finally at number 1, we have the Triton TR 0013-1/4 HP dual-mode precision plunge router. Selecting the perfect speed for your cutting job is a breeze with the Triton Variable Speed Plunge Router. This machine has many perks including a soft start motor, a powerful 3.25 HP motor, 8,000 to 21,000 RPM speeds, a built-in router lift for easily changing out the bits, and it also has safety features like a fully enclosed guard, an automatic shutdown during bit changes, and a spindle lock too. Although it's not really cut out for industrial use, one happy buyer wrote, "Having the variable speed is great as you can set the speed for the type of wood that you are working with. For projects for your home, or a small business, it is more than adequate. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.